Every town has its own story, a story written in its people, its tradition, and its way of life. In the heart of Batangas lies Balayan, the place where history, faith, and culture come together in harmony. Known for its centuries-old churches, distinct delicacies, and captivating tourist destinations, Balayan stands as a reflection of the Batangueños enduring the pride and devotion.
In this documentary, we will explore the town's remarkable heritage. From the flavors that define its identity, to the sacred landmarks that preserve its faith, and the destinations that showcase its natural and cultural beauty. Balayan is one of the oldest towns in Batangas, tracing its roots back to the pre-colonial period when it served as a thriving coastal settlement and trading center. During the Spanish era, it became a significant center of faith and culture, evident in its historic structure such as Immaculate Parish Church, one of the oldest in the province.
Conception Parish Church, one of the oldest and the most remarkable church in Batangas. Built during the Spanish colonial period, this centuries-old structure is a lasting symbol of town's deep-rooted faith and devotion.
po ba yan? Ano pong tawag dyan? Oo, kalamay daw. Sarap?
Malagkit. Ano masarap?
Thank you po.
Minsay natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang
Nice.
ginawa. Mga hiyas
Halika na sa palengke ng Balayan at pumunta sa Remedios Plastic Wear and Vintage Product.
at ng bayan niyang pinili.
Hindi po.
Nasa tulong
Si Ayla nakasalubong.
kaya isang
Oh,
libong kulay ng aking
Bigyan.
So, okay po yun.
Among the many things that make Balayan unique, one flavor stands out. The rich and salty taste of bagoong Balayan.
Everyone, I am Bianca Cassandra J. Isor and ngayon po ay may interview po tayong local po dito sa Balayan, Batangas. Tricycle driver.
Oh, yeah, oh.
Pwede po malaman kung ano po pangalan niyo.
Oh, sasabi ka, oh.
Saan po ba madalas yung mga pinupuntahan po ng mga pasahero kapag sumasakay po sila?
Sa Walter.
Sa Walter po dito sa Balayan. Mga resorts po kaya meron po dito. Yung anong mga famous tourist spot po natin. Saan po kaya dito sa Balayan?
Stern. Maraming may Malabanan.
Dito lang dito po sa Balayan. Madami po pumunta po dito na.
Marami din.
Good morning. I am Natalie Agustin. We are witness April. So today, I was interviewing her about the history and cultures of Balayan. So, ganun katagal na po kayo nagre-reside dito? For two months of Balayan. Sa pag-stay niyo po dito, ano knowledge nyo about sa history ng town?
Sabihin na natin na nasa malayong Balayan sa isang, I don't know if a future question. Basta, it's Balay. Kaya kasi sikat siya sa puro balay dito. Kaya natawag siya na Balayan. Kumbaga, sa mga tubo, mais, gano'n. Ito, sikat siya kasi marami ditong balay. Kaya natawag siyang Balayan. So, mga tradition na meron dito, like mga San Juan, ang naging tradition natin ngayon kasi tinatayo yung mahal sa and then
So, sa 4 years po, 4 years po para malaki ano yung isang culture na gawa na nakita sa
in the heart of Balayan, Batangas, Alakay Motor stands the piece of history, the ancestral home of Sixto Castelo Lopez, a reformist, patriot, and one of the closest friends of Dr. Hasencsi.
Today, the ancestral house stands as a living reminder of Balayan's proud history, a testament that even from this quiet Batangueño town, voices of courage and conviction echoed across the world. Although we were not able to enter the properties, it is marked as a private. We observed its well-preserved facade, traditional wooden panels, and white capis windows that reflects architectural style of the Spanish colonial period. The house is historically significant not only for its age and architecture, but also for the legacy of its owner, Sixto Castillo Lopez, a reformist, patriot, and one of the closest friends and allies of Dr. Rizal during propaganda movement. Lopez supported Rizal reformist ideals and advocated for Filipino rights through his writings and correspondence abroad. Today, his ancestral home remains a vital landmark that embodies Balayan's contribution to the nation's fight for independence and its intellectual awakening.
As we live, Balayan spirit stays with us, a quiet reminder that heritage is not only remembered, but felt, lived, and shared. It asks of us to carry forward the lessons of history, the strength of community, and the pride of culture, wherever life may take us. The streets we walk, the flavors we tasted, and the stories we heard speak of resilience, devotion, and creativity. Threads that weave together the heart of this town. Even in a brief glimpse, Balayan teaches us that every place holds meaning, every tradition holds memory, and every person holds a story worth carrying forward. In its quiet strength and enduring spirit, we find a reflection of our own connection to the past and a call to honor, preserve, and share with the generations yet to come.
The town of Balayan holds stories in every street and corner, where history and daily life come together. From the centuries-old Immaculate Conception Parish Church to the vibrant Parada ng Lechon, the town shows how faith, tradition, and community are woven into everyday life. The flavors of its kakanin, bagoong Balayan, and the simple craftsmanship of the salakot reminded us that culture lives not only in grand celebrations, but in the hands and the hearts of those who kept it alive. Though we didn't fully explore all of Balayan, seeing even a part of it gave us a glimpse of its spirit and character. Landmarks like the ancestral home of Sixto Castillo Lopez, a close friend of Dr. Jose Rizal, and the calm waterfronts along the Balayan Baywalk revealed the quiet strength of a community rooted in its past yet moving forward. Every corner we visited tells a story of resilience, devotion, and pride.